Go to the Tools panel of Affinity Photo and select Artistic Text Tool. With that selected, create some text. But before we do that, if the colour is not right, make certain it's not black. So just change it, maybe go with green, blue, etc. Of course, you can vary it as well. So you can just select one character and maybe change the colour and go with a different colour like that. Once you've done that, with that selected, that's the key thing, go over to a layer and new live filter layer, down to colours and halftone. Now you can see the effect. Actually, it shows it's slightly different when you got that, which makes it slightly odd. But you can change the cell size, but you can also change the dot. So go for round, and you can see slightly different there. If it was all the same colour, it would be consistent across the whole thing, but you can see now slight change. Also, you can modify the screen angle. You can also go here through the blend modes, and again you can see your colours. So go with lighten or maybe multiply, up to you, or difference, etc. I'm going to go with lighten. And it's still live. So if you want to, you can still edit this design. So you can change you can also change the colour. Maybe decide, you know what, I don't want that, but I want red instead. Also, you can add a mask. So if you want to maybe blur things out slightly, always just go over here, select all those, go to layer and new empty mask layer. With that selected, then go over here. I'm just going to select that, make certain that's selected. Go to this. And you can then quickly bring that in, and that's white to black for the grading, very basic grading, and also using linear. You can also change the whole colour if you want to. Simply go up here to with text there, go to layer and new adjustment layer, and you've got various, you can go maybe colour balance, HSL, recolor, etc. So select recolor and you can then vary it, and again you've got blend modes, you can run through those, change that. And it's still there, still live, so you can still edit it, remove it very quickly if you don't want it. You can also go and with that selected, go down here to effects, and then you can simply add maybe a 3D effect, etc. Or any of the other ones, out shadow, maybe bevel, color overlay, whatever. And close. So you have it, halftone effect very quickly in Affinity Photo. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.